Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Hemika Sharma, where I try my best to help you with English, employability skills, and life skills. I know it's been quite time that I have not uploaded a video. Let me assure you that I would try my best to be regular in posting videos, for which I definitely seek your help. As when you press on this like, share, and subscribe button, it does give me a lot of motivation, and that's one of the reasons that brings me here to connect with you all. So, in case अगर अभी तक आपने like, share और subscribe नहीं किया है, please do it now. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके साथ ऐसे वर्ड्स शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो बेसिकली देसी वर्ड्स हैं, which we also call Indianism. Ideally, they should not be used in the language, but because we have heard our peers, colleagues, friends, relatives talking about it, सब इसको इतना ज्यादा बोलते हैं कि हमने भी इसको अपनी लैंग्वेज में यूज करना शुरू कर दिया है. But in case you're watching this video, try to ensure that you do not use these words henceforth. So the first word is pass out. I passed out from Delhi University in 2009. I'm sure आपने बहुत लोगों को ये word use करते हुए सुना होगा. Pass out literally means losing consciousness. या आप let's say alcohol पी के consciousness lose कर रहे हो, or there's a tragedy, or probably it's death. Pass out means losing consciousness. It does not mean that you are a graduate or a postgraduate. So, in case you want to tell somebody that you've completed your graduation, try to say, I completed my graduation in 2009. Or, in case you want to talk about the institution as well, you can mention, I completed my graduation in 2009 from Delhi University. Second, kindly revert. I'm sure आपने mails में, messages में, WhatsApp या फिर verbal communication में इस word को बहुत सुना है. Most of us believe that revert का मतलब है to respond or to reply. However, real meaning of revert is to return to a former state, जो पहले situation थी, right? So I cannot go back to my biological clock or the other way around to know where I was. So that's the incorrect usage of this word. So kindly revert is a wrong word. Try not to use it. Third, years back. I bought this car years back. Now, years back is again wrong usage of word. That's again the desi way of using the language, which we should not be using henceforth. So, try to say years ago. I bought this car 3 years ago. Fourth, doing the needful. Now, honestly speaking, कुछ time पहले तक इसको use किया जाता था to tell people कि आप ये चीज हमारे लिए कर दीजिए. But ये इतना overuse हो गया है कि rather than telling the contextual meaning, it has become the humorous phrase. So please, if possible, try to avoid this phrase. Fifth, discuss about. For instance, आपने सुना होगा, let's discuss about politics. So जब discuss about बोला जाता है, so discuss itself means to talk about, उसके बारे में बात करना. So which discuss के बाद मैं about नहीं लगाऊंगी. I can simply say, let's discuss politics. Sixth, order for. Hey, let's order for a pizza. Please remember, when we use a verb order, we do not have to add a preposition to it. हमें कोई भी preposition for, in, it, कुछ भी डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. When you say order, you are referring to doing something. It's an action. Here, in this case, you do not have to add a preposition to this word. So in case you want to order a pizza, you can simply say, let's order a pizza. Seventh, do one thing, study English first, and then go out to play. Now, this phrase, do one thing, is typical example of Indianism, मतलब देसी style of speaking. Ideally, ये गलत है. और जब हम इससे sentence start करते हैं, तब तो ये बिल्कुल गलत है. This is not there in the dictionary. This refers to the Indian way or Indian style of using the language. Hence, we should try not to use it. So I can simply say, complete your work and go out to play. Number 8, out of station. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm out of station. Now, out of station means nothing. It's yet another the Desi way of speaking. Try not to use this. Instead, you can say, sorry, I can't talk right now. I am in Mumbai. Number 9, sleep is coming. Now, she's not my uncle, aunt, brother, sister, no relation. Then why do I say that sleep is coming? That's the wrong way of using the language again. I can only say I'm sleepy. And the last one, which is my favorite, the 10th one, is prepone. So my exams are preponed to 1st of December. Ideally, postpone is the correct word. And because we think that prepone is the opposite of postpone, so हम उसको अपनी language में use करना शुरू कर देते हैं. And if I want to tell somebody that the exams are preponed, I would simply say कि पहले हो गए हैं, so it is prepone, which is the wrong word. There is no such word in the English dictionary. Then what should I say? I need to say that the exam date is rescheduled to 1st of December. So, my dear friends, make sure you do not use these Desi words in your language. And in case you have come across any such Indianism or Desi word, try share it with us in the comment section below. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and keep learning with me.